What's up, guys? We just got back from the Diecast store, and here is all the stuff that we picked up. We got this Ferrari, we got a Bugatti Veyron, McLaren F1 GTR, Mustang Funny Car, Subaru WRX STI Premium, and a Surf Crate. So this is the treasure hunt I was missing for this year. This was one of the treasure hunts I was missing for last year. This is my favorite car. I like Ferrari, so we had to pick up that. I got this M2 Chase. This is a 650 piece Chase. This looks like kind of like a Combi, like a Hot Wheels Combi. I wanted to get an M2 Chase, and my grandpa paid for that one. And then, yeah, I like the Subaru a lot, so I picked that up too. And then, I don't have a Bugatti Veyron. I was talking about in my Bugatti Devo short how I don't have a Veyron yet, so there's that. And I got a good deal on all this stuff. So check out Carolina's Diecast.